Hi, I'm going to do a little tutorial video showing how to install these Indian skull war bonnet die cut decals with the easy peel background or backing. This will be our tank, makeshift tank. You're going to need these things. You're going to need your squeegee, masking tape, scissors, application fluid, and paper towel. What I would do, instead of trying to do it by eye, like by eye, what you would do is you would basically just peel this off, and then by eye put it on there and then just stick it down, or wet the back and then stick it down. Now, application fluid, I kind of, if you're advanced, more advanced, I would use the application fluid, but if you're not, I would just do it dry, because you don't have to worry about pieces flaking off. So I think we'll do dry right today. So basically, if you want to get a precise placement, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a few pieces of tape, put one at each corner of your decal, like so, and then basically place it where you want to place it, get it how you want, and if you don't like it there, then you can keep changing it to where you want it. Then what you do is, let's see, which way should we do this? Let's do the hinge method instead. Hinge method, what you do is you put a piece of tape right in the middle, up and down, and now what you do is you fold this back very carefully, maybe use that piece of tape to hold it down, cut the backing away, and then now you can squeegee that down. Now you can go ahead and remove the hinge, pull that side back very carefully and slowly so you don't miss any pieces here. Should come off very easily with that easy peel. So now you're ready to go ahead and squeegee the rest down. And to do it slow and from the side out, so you don't get any bubbles in there. Now this is gonna, since this is a curved area, let's see how it's gonna look. Really squeegee that nice and good. Get all any bubbles that you see out if you can. You might have to go back later with a sharp pen and pop any that you have and squeegee it out. So now you're ready to remove looks pretty good. So there you go. That's basically all you have. Thank you.